Let's review. Nay, nail. Toggle between nay and nail. Nay, nail. And then let's try no, N-O, and nor, N-O-R. No, nor. No, nor. Toggle between those and write them as often as you can. Next word pair is noose and nice. Noose, nice. Noose, nice. Noose, nice. And how about nook and knack? Nook and knack. Nook, knack, nook, knack. And net and yet. Net, yet, net, yet, net, yet, net. And nap and yap. Nap, yap, nap, yap. Toggle between those. And the next word pair, yak and yuck. Yak and yuck. Yak and yuck. And the last word pair, yum and yam. Yum, yam, yum, yam. Let's do a number review. For this review, I think I'll have you skip your anchors because I'm going to give it to you at a little faster pace than I normally do. So just write the numbers as I speak them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 5, 0, 1, 9, 50. Excellent job.